we guide you through how to verify your Binance account. So first, open the Binance app or website and sign in to your account. Tap your profile icon and select identification or verification depending on the version you see. Click Verify Now and choose your country or region if prompted. Next, enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your government-issued ID. Then, select the type of document you want to use, such as passport, driver's license, or national ID card, and upload clear photos of the front and back if required. After uploading your ID, complete the official verification by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure you are in a well-lit area, remove hats or sunglasses, and keep your face clearly visible during the scan. Once you've completed all the steps, submit your application and wait for Binance to review your information. Verification usually takes a few minutes, but in some cases, it may take longer if additional checks are needed.